Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our sixth video as part of our series of video of the playlist Tally's Order Management. In this video, we will explore yet another F12 configuration which will be helpful for businesses where you have multiple purchase ledgers. Let us go to Tally and explore this F12 configuration of order management. I am in the purchase order voucher type. I'll press F12 configure. First, let us understand this option set common ledger account for item allocation. This option by default will be set to yes. By enabling this option, you can select the purchase ledger here, and once a purchase ledger is selected here, all the inventory items value will be debited to this purchase ledger for financial records. This will also ease data entry by requiring the purchase ledger to be selected after every stock selected. This option, select common ledger, let us select it to no and explore the interface behavior. Just for your information, I have also enabled GST for this company so that next time when we create a purchase order, we can select GST ledgers also. Notice here the common purchase ledger selection is disabled. Let us pass a purchase order entry. Let us select the first item, Acer monitor. Due date, let us say 25th of April. Quantity 5 numbers. Rate will get auto-populated. Enter. We are in the amount column. Now press enter and notice when you enter, the accounting allocation subscreen is opened here. So by default, your previously selected ledger is selected here. When you press spacebar, you will get the name of the purchase ledger. Select purchase ledger, enter, and second item, Dell Inspiron, again 25th of April, quantity 5 numbers, enter, and when you enter here, again you will notice the purchase ledger you have to select after every item. Since you have a common ledger called purchase, instead of selecting the same ledger after every item, you can set the option of select common ledger accounting for item allocation to yes. That way you can select single purchase ledger as a common ledger. Let's come back and start a fresh entry. Press F12 configure and let us make this option select common ledger. Let us set to yes, Control A, and we see the purchase ledger selection as common ledger here. So let us make an entry, order number. So here we select purchase ledger. When you select the item, now when you press enter in the amount section, it will take you to the next item and the accounting subscreen is not opening since we have selected the common ledger which will get allocated for all the item value to this particular ledger. Let us take a case of business. Instead of creating a common purchase ledger for all item, let's say they have created separate purchase ledger for each product. Example, they are dealing in laptops, monitors and printers. So they would have created the purchase ledger as purchase laptops, purchase monitors, purchase printers, the example what you are seeing on the screen and so on. Under such circumstances, the common ledger allocation will not apply since they have different item being captured in different purchase ledger. That is where you can disable the common ledger allocation. I'll just ignore this. Now we shall explore another configuration you can set based on your requirement. Press F12 configure and see this option, provide accounting allocation in order receipt note. Again by default this option will be set to yes. As this option is set to yes, in the purchase order you can select the accounting detail including tax ledgers. The advantage of this option is that when you select the pending order tracking number in the party subscreen while making the purchase entry, all the data field captured in the purchase order will be auto-populated, which we saw in our previous video. This will reduce data entry time and improve data accuracy. Let us check this out. Option is yes here. Control A. Party is IT traders. Purchase ledger, item, quantity, 5 numbers. Purchase ledger is not opening. The second item, let us select Dell Inspiron. Again 25th of April, 5 numbers, CGST. Enter. The tax will get calculated automatically. Enter. SGST. Enter and save this purchase order. So here we are capturing the accounting information also, the purchase ledger and the tax ledger, and the total amount will get credited to the party for accounting purpose. So save this, Control A. Now when we receive the material for this purchase order, let us see what happens. Invoice number 587, party name IT traders, order, click here and let us select order number 6, Control A, and you will notice that automatically the accounting allocation also has been auto-populated in the purchase invoice. Now, if you do not want to provide any accounting information in the purchase order, so we are in the purchase order, we can set this option, provide accounting allocation in order receipt note to no. And note, along with this, just make sure select common ledger account allocation is also set to no. The reason is you would not want to select the purchase ledger during the order because you might have different purchase ledger for different stock item. So you want to capture the accounting detail while making the purchase invoice. This is the use case. So select common ledger allocation no, and also set provide accounting allocation in order receipt note to no. Save this and let us see what happens. Firstly, you will see the common ledger is not there. Enter. Party is IT traders. Let's leave this as it is 7. Item, say 1st of May. Quantity 5 numbers. Enter. And now since we have set the common ledger allocation as no, earlier we saw the accounting allocation opening after the amount column. Now since we have set the allocation of accounting detail to no, when I press enter, it will take me to the next item. Select the second item, 1st of May, 5 numbers. Again, no accounting allocation, and just save this order detail. Note, all these options we discussed in the previous video and this video of F12 configuration for purchase order will apply to sales order as well. Hence, you can try the same with the sales order voucher also. In the next video, we shall cover the purchase order cycle with an additional step that will help mid-level businesses manage their orders. I hope you would have understood the relevance of enabling common ledger and disabling. Also, we understood how you can disable the accounting allocation information in your purchase order. I have shown the purchase order setting. You can use it for sale order also. It is going to be the same that we have discussed about this F12 configuration in the last 2 videos. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.